Kate here with WTI. Now, if you're a fan of smooth shakes and frothy coffees, you need to get yourself this 2-in-1 milk frother from FoodVille. So what makes this super unique is that it has two heads. So it has the frother one, the one that we're used to get that beautiful frothy foam on your coffee. And it also has a whisk. This makes it such a diverse tool. I love that it has 3 speed settings. So depending what you need to mix, you can choose the speed. There's nothing quite like a foamy coffee in the morning. So I love the way this froths up your milk, your cream, whatever you're putting into your coffee, you can have that beautiful whipped texture. If you're mixing any protein powder or any powdered drinks at all, having this mixer is amazing. You don't have the chunks. I love the way this makes everything so much smoother. The whisk is great for all sorts of things, but check out how it whisks up these egg whites. They become so fluffy so fast. It comes with a stand, so it keeps it nice and organized. You plug it into charge and then you have weeks of use. It's easy to clean, the heads pull right off, so it's really easy to interchange them as well. But I definitely recommend it. I think this is an awesome product, and that's my point of view.